Hello and welcome to your next car. My name's Nakib. I'm going to do a short video of this BMW 116 diesel M Sport, just done over 75,000 miles. As you can see, it's a genuine M Sport vehicle with all the flared up M Sport bumpers. We've added our finishing touches to it, all the YNC styling pack. From the front splitter YNC in gloss black. Fits really well, really tight around the corners. All our body styling is from Germany. Gloss black grills, BMW LED headlights, freshly refurbished gloss black alloys, original M Sport alloys. It's got the M badges on the wings, side decals. Coming to the back, you've got the really nice spoiler in gloss black. Really nice size, not too big, really suits the car well. Rear of the car, I've got all the parking sensors. For the 1 Series, the boot is a really good size. Seats fold down. Parcel shelf can be taken out. Passenger side of the vehicle, just showing you how clean and tidy the vehicle is. Very few chips, very few marks, really tidy car. Looks amazing with all the silver and gloss black window trims, the bottoms. Keep coming onto the inside. You can see these really nice Alcantara seats. Black dashboard, black carpet, silver trimmings. Car smells very nice, really fresh, no marks or anything on the inside. Coming to the front of the vehicle, show you the bonnet. I can't see a chip. Really tidy. You've got a few little very small chips on the front bumper. Give you a quick little, this is what we've got in stock at the moment in the showroom. Coming into the inside, this car does have the cruise control, auto wipers, extended storage, satellite navigation, got the DAB radio, Bluetooth media, so you can connect your phone, play your favourite songs. Show you the passenger seat again. Steering wheel's in good condition. Really nice stitching on the door cards. Show you around the vehicle again. Another glimpse of that beautiful, amazing spoiler. Okay, so just to sum up, all round, very nice, tidy car. It's in the price range, priced under 12,000, and it is physically ready to drive away today. We have 160 BMWs in stock. Okay, if you are interested in this vehicle, please give us a call. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps.